Action. Okay, we're back on. Okay,
What
now.
take is this?
Wait, what?
What take is this?
What take?
Yeah.
I don't know, I don't keep track.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what's this purple wire we're not using here?
Purple.
I'm yanking on it, it's getting longer.
That one goes to the back coil, correct?
Goes to the Bose switch. That goes to your
Oh, that's
Bose wire.
Bose. Yeah, Bose.
Bose wire. This should go over here.
Bose.
We're gonna leave the Bose hanging.
How dirty this bike is. I think somebody would wash it.
So now that we got this big fat conduit here that we don't need anymore. We could put that single wire conduit over this and cut off this whole piece because we don't need it no more. Or we can take this piece right here. That's just hanging here. Pull it off and then put this piece of wire inside of here.
You're not pulling anything off. That has got glue in there, and it should be glued on there.
What, this one here?
Yes.
It's glued on, see how it moves. There, see, look at that, close up.
It's just
See?
an attempt. It's an attempt at humor.
The problem is the eyelet's gonna keep from coming off.
Too late to turn back now. It seems like something's missing on the end of this.
That was an inferior crimp. That was I was testing the crimp.
We failed.
It
Yeah, failed. Center mass right here. She made it down to where she started nicking down.
She naked down.
Nicking. Okay,
Okay, we got a new one right here now. See this one. Now, does this one got any more extra length in this? No, it does not.
I think you just pulled it all the way out of the handlebars. Alright, we're gonna recycle this.
Okay, we're gonna have to redo this wire now. 'Cause this is inferior.
Oh my goodness.
This is an inferior job. We're gonna have to pull this thing out of here. We can't pull it out of there. We're stuck. We're committed. I think what we should do is we should extend this wire down to this length here. And we have plenty of length to get to our coil without any issues. See, it would be nice and long. It's right up in there like that. No shrinkage. Got plenty of room back there to hang the excess. If we put this in there, it's just too short. So we need an extension piece. Do you have another one of those extension wires?
If only we had some nice white wire.
Do we have some more crimps?
We might. We look really hard. What size do you want?
We need like 3 more inches of wire here to make this crimp.
3 more, huh? Let me see what I can do here for you, sir.
And then we have this other wire sitting here too. What was this other pink wire for? Oh, this was the coil. These are extremely long.
We got 18 to 22 and 14 to 16. Just like that.
Okay, this one here is the correct length. This one here is not the correct length.
Yeah, okay.
I think what we need to do is get rid of this piece of crimp.
Alright, okay.
We need to add another wire inside of this harness, which we have room for.
We have the technology?
Now, do not cut the wire now. Unless you want to. Here's a piece of that shrink we couldn't find. Found the piece. Just laying around, not being used.
I wish there was whiskey in this cup underneath.
Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do a cut. And this wire right here. A careful insertion of material. Oops. Oh, there appears to be a hole. There appears to be a hole in the wire. Okay, I need some more blue. Look at that, I got some more blue. We're gonna make this look so good.
Oh my goodness.
It's from the factory.
So good.
They're gonna never know it was butchered or fixed. This does not fit in this hole.
Since you wanna know.
Oh, she went in.
Very good, yeah.
It did not want to go, but it went. You know what the problem is?
What is it?
It gets tighter as I go in here, and there's not room for all this water in here. So this conduit, if you pull it back on itself like this, see how it gets fat?
Mm-hmm.
And then it goes in easier. How many should help here? You're gonna have to help me push that in.
Was it blue one?
The blue one. Okay. You're there. Okay, you can pull up the slack now.
Back and forth.
Where's the white one at? Oh, we haven't extended this one yet. Oh, I'm gonna have to put a bigger hole in here now. Damn it.
Oh my goodness.
I'm getting one. Can we get another one here? I don't know if we can get another one in there.
This is gonna be a problem.
I need a white wire.
I know this is gonna be a problem.
There's all these white wires on here.
So many white wires.
What's all these wires for? This purple one doesn't belong in here. It belongs up here on the Bose switch. Where's your Bose switch? It's back there.
Hiding right there.
I think we need to pull
Sneaking
this
into
one
it.
out.
It's gonna be hard to do with that end on our chief.
You just in right here, been cut off. You got another one, don't you?
We got one more.
That's all we need.
Mm.
It fell out. Did you notice that? Where's the purple wire at? Need a bigger hole. I need a bigger hole. You know how many times I cut a wire when I do this?
9 out of 10 times.
No, not that many, but I've done it. You know how many times I put a hole in my finger with a pick?
9 out of 10 times.
That's probably true.
Maybe 10 out of 10. That seems a little bit getting in for sure.
Probably didn't get nailed already. So we're trying to figure out what we're doing here. I don't know if we're even filming anything. Was I just filming my shoulder the whole time? Probably, I see the pink wire, but I don't see the purple wire. There's too much frayed. Is that purple right there in front? I think that's purple. Can't tell, there's too much black in there. It's poking through the whole thing. What color is that? I need to get that cut away. I can see now. There's a pink wire. We don't have a pink wire, do we? There's a purple wire right there.
Purple.
Sucker does not want to come out. He does want to poke me though.
Ooh, I didn't like that. Don't you know? Minnesota, don't you know?
Oh, it's so hard to get that to come out. You can hear it not wanting to come out. There, that one's out.
There she ain't.
Okay, now we need a white wire extension. So you got a white wire? We did buy some white, didn't we?
We showing up deal.
Perfect. Alright, that's that one done. Now we need a crimp on the white. Put some shrink on it. And run her down. Now to make it easier on ourselves,
Why would we do that?
we can put the splice way up here where it's not inside the harness. and not force it down in here.
There's a little white.
But I think it'll fit in there. And we don't have to insulate it if we shove it through because it'll be fine. I think I can probably get it in there, but be tight. Where's your white? Is this a different color white so we don't get them mixed?
Oh yeah, we got plenty of shades of white. Don't you worry about it.
Let's see what we're doing. I gotta shrink this. I gotta fatten this thing up. It gets a lot easier when you do that.
It's my watchdog right there. Look at that.
It's almost like I knew what the hell I was doing.
Professional.
I think we can get the crimp in
I'll
there.
take it out. It's the wrong color white. Look at that.
I think we can put the crimp on there, not even insulated, just pull it down to the wire because it's gonna be insulated by this. Unless you want to insulate it.
Yeah, of course I do.
You want to put this on the outside?
Just a
So
little piece to slide right on there.
you want to just cut it right here and then leave the crimp out here, or so you want to try to jam it through here?
I think we can. It's just we put a real small piece of shrink on that, right? Oh, if you're worried about this going in there, it's a small one.
I think there's room to get it in there. I think
so
it's
too.
okay.
I think we should shrink it and put it in there.
Okay.
I feel better about it. I'll sleep better tonight.
You sleep at night?
Sometimes.
How's this tool work? Pinches my fingers when I get too
Well,
close.
you're going in there sideways, so it's going to be pretty bad that way.
I'm going
Put it out
sideways.
the front of the nose. There you go.
You mean I have to do it correctly to make it work?
Yeah, it helps if you use it, you know.
Well, you know, it's hard to get good help. Where's the split on this one? I don't see a split.
What? It's in the middle. You see a little crimp? Oh.
No. You got way too much length though.
Right.
You know what you didn't do? You didn't spin that for me a little bit.
Oh,
You made a mess. I think you went the wrong way. Why'd you go the wrong way? You went against the wire grain, so now it's twisted. It's too long too.
right, Scott.
We got it right this time? How come the torque wrench is wrong sitting there? Okay, you got another one? Does it resemble this one? It's almost like we knew what we were doing.
Don't tell anybody. Well, that fell short of the goal.
That was a failure? Probably enough, but that's too much.
Trim it back to what you like. Twisty.
I didn't like
No,
any
you're
of it.
twisting. Tatro, you're twisting against the grain of the wire. See.
I don't think so. You gonna crimp that from your side? You may do it from my side. It's a two-man job.
Maybe you're ready. Oh, what about the heat shrink?
You know what we forgot?
The heat shrink!
Oh well.
Every time this happens. See, you preface that before. I don't think we need to put any heat shrink on. We just pull it on down there. We ain't got nothing to worry about.
Which length we got now?
Set ourselves up for that one.
What? Which length do we need up here? We good with that length?
Heck no.
You like that length? Put the heat shrink on it now. It's a secret.
Shh, don't tell anybody.
Top secret.
Is this still there?
work. Cut off about 1.5 inches.
Just make sure she goes over this.
It'll go over. Cut about 1.5 inches off. You really only need 1 inch, but and you got to pull it through a wire. Good to make sure it's long in case it slides.
It's got the goo.
This has glue on it.
It's got the goo.
You know when it goos glue all over the place, it doesn't work very
The
well.
goo.
The key is to make sure you don't go too far out that end when you do it. Yeah, I think I got it equally spaced.
Are you
So
happy?
we'll find out how close I was. I'm just gonna burn my thumb. That thing works really well. You can buy that thing?
You got it turned down.
I can tell. This has to release open this wire. Oh, it finally got shrunk a little bit. Right there, that's enough. Small one. Okay, you got it. Look at, I got a pretty equal distance. I'm just barely off.
I mean, I'm impressed.
Barely missed it.
I'm impressed.
Okay, can you put that on your tongue to cool it so I can suck it through here? Who's gonna touch it to cool it? You gonna touch it to cool it? Maybe I have to do it, he won't do it. It helps to cool it off before you run it through because it doesn't stretch so much when it's cold. It doesn't stick as much either.
Really?
Really. See, it's still hot. See, feel it?
It's a pro tip right there.
See, it's feeling hot. It's a hot wire.
Hot dog.
Not hot dogs over there.
Oh.
Now we can't pull it through now because we got this in here. Okay, I'm gonna go fatten that wire up like
Fatten it
that.
up.
Push it through. Okay, it's through.
Look at that.
Got a piece for this. Put a little piece of shrink on that to bring it around, or just want to run raw. Look how much extra length we got here. Just gotta go there. Okay, we got to put in on this. We can shorten this up some if you want. It's up to you.
Sounds like a wiener. That's the only one we need right there, right? I think I got one left over here.
We need a female 1/4 inch with a 18 gauge.
I got the whole set. I don't know if
Doesn't have to be insulated because it's insulated in here. And we don't have to run this full length. We got a lot of wire here. You happy with that?
I'm happy. Penelope. Seriously. She's barking at him because he's got a bone, but she's got her own bone next to her.
Got his own bone.
No, what's so special about that bone?